We are going to take a little stroll through Bar Harbor, Maine, because you have to when you're in the area, of course. It's one of the main tourist attractions in Maine. So we'll show you some cute little scenes here. This is the Penobscot Narrows Bridge.
The building's just like on the water.
Yeah, on this side too. So we are in Camden, Maine right now. We're gonna take the day and explore this cute little town on the harbor. So this is the harbor. Just gonna take a little walk along the water. And then we also wanted to see the library, and there's outdoor amphitheater next door that we wanted to check out. Look how cute! This is the McGuntacook Falls. Go straight out into the harbor. This is the Camden Harbor. There's some people repairing a boat here. It's a beautiful day out today. The sun makes a huge difference. This is the Chestnut Street Baptist Church, where they have the clock tower that they had restored, and it works. You can hear the clock strike on every hour. Another church, First Congregation Church, that they're restoring the tower. A bunch of scaffolding up there. There's a little footbridge from where we started today. This is such a perfect day. It's not too hot, it's not cold, it's perfect. And when it's cloudy, it has its own New England feel, but the sun just makes a huge difference. Everything looks so much better with the sun. The blue of the water is more blue, the sky is more blue, the fall colors in the trees are more bright, the green is more vivid. Everything just looks better when the sun is out. So. This is the view from the public library. Look how beautiful. And this library is really unique. This building is a library, but everything's It's closed, both entrances. Underneath us right now, underneath the ground, is a whole floor of the library that is open. And that is like a giant skylight. You can look down into the library. Haven't seen anything like that, but I mean, it's a good way to make use of the hillside, I guess. Camden has really impressed us. It's so cute. It's a perfect town. It has a beautiful main street with cute little houses, shops. It has this beautiful harbor. There's a little island right there. It has a boardwalk along the water. It has this beautiful green space, an overlook where you can just sit and have a picnic. There's picnic tables on that level down there. And it has that clock tower that rings upon the hour. It's just perfect. Look at that beautiful color on that tree against the bright blue sky. It's such a beautiful day. And this amphitheater next to the library, I've seen pictures online that people actually can have their weddings here, and what a perfect spot for a wedding. So we are in Rockport. This is the Friends of Rockport Harbor lights out there, all the way at the end. And this is like a almost a mile long walk out to it. It's just gonna be a nice sunset spot. Let's go check it out. He went under. He should come back up maybe. It's our first seal that we saw in the wild. This is our first time we saw whales this trip. And now seals. The sun is going behind the clouds. We still have a way to go to the lighthouse. We'll keep on moving. Breakwater Lighthouse. Construction of this 4,300 foot long breakwater began in April 1881. 18 years, $750,000, and over 732,000 tons of granite later, it was completed on November 24th, 1899. The lighthouse dates from 1902 and was placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1981. The city of Rockland accepted ownership of the Rockland Lighthouse on September 14, 1998. Eating dinner right now. We found a really nice parking spot. We're on the water. I don't know if you can hear it. It's just really nice to be able to fall asleep to the waves. Probably the closest we'll ever get to living on the ocean. We are on Bailey's Island in Maine still, so close to Portland. I think tomorrow and maybe the next day will be our last day in Maine. Unfortunately, we have to just leave Maine. Yeah. Today was Friday, so it's Saturday, Sunday, and then starting Monday it's a full week of rain and 55 degrees, so it's just going to be cold.
Today it was really nice to go up to 76.
Yes.
It's sunny, so it's like really warm.
Yeah, we were really blessed with the weather today, pretty much all of October. We spoke to a fisherman up in Cutler, and he said this is a really warm October. It's really rare. It's not normal, so we've just been blessed with the weather. So I guess if you want to come to Maine, just come September because October could be really cold. It usually is. This year it hasn't been. Pretty much this whole area is going to be rain. Boston is, New York City, Washington D.C. There's a few days where it's not raining in that week, so we might do George Washington's Mount Vernon home. We'll see.